bang, crash, crash, bang, smash. That was the last time this vacuum cleaner moved. It broke a leg, and in getting it new parts I also bought it a new vacuum motor. So turns out there's about 100 million screws in one of these, really not designed with snap to fit in mind. So 100 million screws out, new parts in, 100 million less one screws back in. The other one was only a tiny screw, it can't be too important. Let's see how we're going. Got the glowing lights, that's a good sign. We're waiting. Ooh, piano, excellent. Okay, so will you clean? Yep, still remembered your language. It works. It spins. Yeah, it moves. Its laser appears to be moving as well. Ah, it's trying to get me. I didn't make you fall down the stairs. Alrighty, success.